Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds Philips Fidelio T1. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Inside the case we have connection button, and you need to press and hold, you need to press 2 times this button. 1, 2, here we go. Now we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap on them. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!